This 2024 Winnebago Sunstar 31B is a Class A RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a SAL OAK LT interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Sunstar 31B is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.